Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome to Blythe Bags. And today is going to be a different video. I'm going to be doing a video of my husband and my dog rate my Blythe Bags. And I've asked him to pick out the top three Blythes that he likes and the bottom three that he does not like. And then the same with the bags. So I actually don't know which this lineup is because this is all I have so far. I just know that one of the bags I'm pretty sure he doesn't like. So, but I'm confused with the other two and definitely confused with these three Blythes. So I don't know if these are the top or the bottom. So we will find out shortly. Are you ready? Okay, we're back. Now, I've asked him to pick his bottom three Blythes and the top three Blythes and the same for the bag. So what are we looking at here? Is this the bottom three or the top three?
That's the bottom three.
This is the bottom three?
Yes.
Doronjo?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I might as well start her because she's my favorite. So this is Doronjo meets Blythe. She is a super villainess. These are a very popular anime series. Since 1972, she's older than you are. Doesn't she deserve some respect from that alone? What do you think, Savannah? Yes or no? Not impressed?
No.
They're clearly not impressed with Doronjo meets Blythe, but she's like my favorite Blythe, so I'm a little insulted.
Mm-hmm.
And let's just tell everybody that he's incognito like Doronjo with her glasses. He thinks that he's not going to be recognized if he has the hat and sunglasses on. That's the whole premise of her villain, by the way, that she's not recognized with the glasses.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Blythe number 2 is Lavandula Babe. She's a no for you?
No.
Why?
I
Why?
don't like her hair.
This was my first Blythe from Junie Moon.
I don't like her hair color.
What about you? Clearly, neither one of these two people are impressed. The dog, I should say. And the third, you don't like the flight attendant, Feel the Sky?
No.
No?
Nope.
Why? Why? She's very cute.
I don't like her hat.
It has the insignia Royal Air Blythe on there. See, Savannah likes her. You like her, right?
You like that one?
Yes, a good kiss. That's very nice. She agrees with me. We like her. And look, she came with like a little rolling luggage and everything.
How cute.
Yeah, that's good. So these three are your bottom.
Yep.
No changes.
Nope.
All right, so the bags. This Marc Jacobs bag you're saying is a bottom.
Yes.
Why?
It's got too much stuff on it.
That's the whole thing of the bag.
That's nice for other
people. It's a trinket bag. But do you know the history of this bag?
No, I don't.
This bag was inspired by Blythe. So all of the trinkets are doll size. You see the tiny little shoes and the little flower, the little daisy. That's his symbol there. And look, there's even a little, see the tote bag by Marc Jacobs there?
Yeah, it's cute.
It's cute, but you think this is a bottom?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Really? I love this bag. Very nice. This was one of my birthday presents. You don't like it?
I like it because of your birthday gift.
But you don't like it to carry around.
That's right.
Okay, now this bag, I know that why this is a bottom. Go ahead, tell them.
Because I don't like the eyes. The eyes look at me.
It gets put in my closet, like on the top shelf when you walk into the master closet. It's the first thing that you see. So when he turns on the light at night, the eyes are looking at him. So it's scary. This is a Louis Vuitton. This is Louis Vuitton by Kansai Yamamoto. He was a designer, Japanese designer. And he designed all of the costumes for David Bowie.
Cool.
But you don't like this one.
No, I like the eyes.
I love the eyes. I mean, they're really cool. I would let you sniff this, but it's way too expensive. So no. And then this bag, I kind of can't disagree with you with because it's a real pain in the neck to get in and out of. Like every time you have to get in the bag, you have to untie this and tie it back up. This is a Louis Vuitton by Yayoi Kusama bag. All my Kusama bags, this one is your least favorite. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's what you're going with? That's what he's going with?
Yep.
And you look thrilled. Okay, so now we're going to just pause for a minute so that I can get the top. This will be interesting. Let's see. Want to pick your top three? I know what her top three is. I'll get her top one after we're finished with the dolls. Okay, we're back. And now we're going to do the top three Blythes of his choice and the top three bags of his choice. So we'll start here with this one. This is Tokyo Bright, and she was in coordination with the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. That didn't happen, and we all know that story. How bitter I am. And her outfit, the skirt has the Tokyo skyline, and so does her jacket. So you chose this as one of your top.
Yes, I like it.
You like it because of the Tokyo theme, or because?
I like it because of all the colors.
But because it's Tokyo.
Yeah, because it's Tokyo.
Okay, so she has Tokyo on her skirt and her jacket, and I'll show a close up after. But there's only so much they'll sit here for. Okay, so the next style is this was the lottery win, and you changed up on me. You had a different doll, but that's okay because she's one of my favorites too. So this is Adachi Yumi, and she is a famous actress in Japan. And on her TV show, when she was a child, she had Blythe. So she's been a Blythe collector and lover since the first year. So that's why during this 25-year anniversary, they did a doll for her.
I like it.
I like it. That's his new tagline. What about you? She's a little too expensive for you to be like sniffing at, but
No.
so this doll was very difficult to get because she's a special edition, and I'm not sure how many, like the rooms have been 2,000, some people say 3,000, but as you know, it sold out in 5 minutes. And the only other way to get her was for the lottery. And we were able to get a lottery spot, so we got her. Savannah is like less than thrilled. And the last doll is UFO A Go Go. She was one of my birthday flights. And I liked her because I love the whole space theme. Her box is really cool. She has a little alien. See her little alien on the dress? Okay. And she's got like the whole 60s thing going with the boots, the go-go boots, and the gloves, and the hair, and the sunglasses, and the headband. What do you think?
I like it.
No? Yeah. She's one of your tops?
Yep.
Anything you like to add to that?
Yeah, because I like sunglasses.
You like the sunglasses? Okay. Yeah. Apparently that's all we have to do to impress Thomas's sunglasses. And you? No, nothing. Okay, now let's do the top three bags. Let's do this bag first because it's huge and it's here. So this is my 2017 Louis Vuitton by Kansai Yamamoto. This is a kabuki bag. And we know you didn't like the other kabuki bag with the eyes, but this one.
This one I like because of all the colors on it. I like the design.
Yeah, we've been to the kabuki theater in Ginza. And so it has like a special meaning to us. So this was like one of my wish list bags that I always wanted. And we were able to get it from Kameo in Tokyo. So, okay. So now let's get to the next bag. Let's see. What is the next bag? Oh, this was the next bag that was your in the best in the top. This I agree 100% with also. This is one of my favorite bags. This is one of my favorite bags. And this is the graffiti bag. This is Louis Vuitton by Steven Sprouse. This is a graffiti bag from 2001. And it's beautiful. It's in great condition. It has the feet on the bottom, the graffiti on the bottom as well. And this is just a beautiful bag. And you like this bag because?
I do, because I like the graffiti.
You like the graffiti. It's very like,
cool.
It is very cool, and it's a huge collector's item, and I'm glad that I talked you out of me getting the one with the beige on it because it was a lot less expensive, but I did not care. I wanted this bag.
Yes.
And it's worth it, 100%.
I think so.
I do too. Okay, so here's bag number 2, and then bag number 3. Take a break for 1 second, okay? Let me get bag number 3. Okay. Are you ready? Bag number 3. This is the Tokyo City tote bag by Marc Jacobs. And I love this bag too. This was like my first Marc Jacobs bag that wasn't a Louis Vuitton Marc Jacobs era bag. So, and what do you like about this bag?
I like the design. I like the colors on it. I like it kind of retro.
And I know it kind of looks like Blade Runner here. And I like how they have the kanji, Tokyo written in kanji here, which is really cool. And I think on another, and over here, it says Marc Jacobs in
Oh,
kanji.
cool.
So yeah,
Yeah,
really cool. So
I like it.
I love this bag as well. So that's his top three and bottom three. I would agree with in the top, definitely my graffiti bag and the kabuki bag. And then my other top three bag will be no surprise. It's my Kusama with the painted dots on it. Speedy. Those would be my three top bags. And for the top Blythe, definitely these two. And the Doronjo would be my number third for the top. I know he doesn't agree. I love that Doronjo. I watch that all the time. Oh, are you done? Well, before we leave, I'm going to show you what her three favorite Tokyo themed dolls are in this office. So I'll be right back. I know you you had enough of this now. I'm gonna go get your favorite person, okay? Your favorite robot. Okay. These are gonna be to Savannah's three that she always tries to steal off my shelf. So number one is from the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Mirai Toa, he is the mascot for the regular Olympics. You like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want this man? You can't have it. And then number two, I'll leave him here, but you can't have it, is this Godzilla, or Gojira, as he's called in Japan. This is actually a humidifier, but I don't turn it on as humidifier. So, you like this Gojira? Yeah. Yeah. And then last, this is a love-hate relationship between Savannah and this robot. This is Roby Jr. I don't know if his batteries still work or not. Let's see. Okay. His batteries don't work, but that's actually a good thing because it drives her bananas. It speaks Japanese and it asks you questions and you answer it and it interacts with you and it drives her insane. She goes bananas. So it's probably a good thing. But this would be her top. I don't know if this is your top and bottom three at the same time. She has a love-hate relationship with Roby Jr. So Roby Jr., this is Roby Jr. There is a Roby that is a cell phone and they use it. You can rent it out in Tokyo in the airports, and it will be a tour guide for you. So you rent it. I don't know how many. It's like what? Like I think it's like I don't know, like $10 US a day or something. It's not very expensive, and it will speak to you in English and tell you about all the places that you're near. Like if you have it on, it'll tell you what you're near. It dances. It's very cute. I want one, but it won't work here in the States. So that was our top and bottom three for Thomas and Savannah.
Yay.
Yay, you did a good job.
Yay.
You all set now? We'll have a cookie.
Yay.
It's time for her to have its treat, and we will see you the next time. Bye.
Bye bye.
You good? Okay.